Heathlands at home, it's Helen here and we've got another origami instruction for you today. So what we're making for this origami instruction are these lovely little fish. Now these are a nice simple fold to do, and all you need is a square of origami paper and a googly eye. So I'll just pause here and I'll write up what you need on the screen. And then what we'll do is we'll get started. So if I move my fish to one side and my googly eye, what we'll do is we'll make a start. So as I said, this is quite a simple fold to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper in half along the diagonal. Going to make a nice crisp crease as always. So we fold it in half one way. I'm going to open it up again, and we're going to fold it in half the other way. So I'm guessing by now you'll have noticed that an awful lot of origami folds begin in this way. This is a very traditional form of starting an origami fold. So we're going to unfold that one again. Now this is where this one is a little bit different. We needed to put those diagonal folds in, hope you can see that here, because we needed to know where our centre point was. And what we want to do is all four of our corners on our square of paper, we're going to fold those into the middle. So we're going to do it on each side, taking our points from each corner as I turn my work, taking this point up to the middle. And as I say, we're going to repeat this all the way around. So that's two done. I'm taking that bottom corner, folding it up towards the middle and making a nice crisp crease. So it almost looks like an envelope at this point, so we've got one more to do. Taking that point and making it meet the middle. Having done all that, we're going to unfold it again. So there's quite a bit of folding and unfolding in this instruction. So next what we want to do is we want to have the paper square onto us, and I hope you can see all the grid lines that we've got in our folds here now. So again, this centre point is going to be important, because what we want to do is this middle here we want to bring to the centre. So these two corners are going to come to the centre here, and we're going to do that again on all four sides. So we take the bottom nearest us and fold it up to the middle to make all those points meet. And then we're going to unfold it again. We're going to turn our work, and this bottom middle point is going to reach this centre point here. So fold it up, make sure it's nice and parallel, and unfold it again. So that's two done, two more to go. Again, turning our work, so we've always got the piece that we're working on facing us. We take the bottom edge and make it meet in the middle. Turn our work one last time and fold it up. So I'm going to unfold this now. Now that we've got all of these lines, folds in our piece of paper, what you want to do is to fold the two sides in over. So we've got an oblong now. And then from there, I want you to take these 2 points at the top, and I want you to pull them down and open towards you. And this is why we needed all these different lines folded into our paper. So you pull this up and it folds down like that, and then you're going to flatten the top down as well. Now I hope that made sense. So you're going to end up with something like a flat arrow. So I'll just show you one more time we get these points, we pull them outwards and fold the top down. And then we're going to do the exact same thing, turning our work on the other side. So now you should have an elongated hexagon, a 6-sided shape. So, working on the side facing us again, we're going to take the left hand bottom kind of point, and we're going to pull that down towards us. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So those 2 points come down over. So what we're doing here is we're forming the fish's tail. The next move you need to make is you need to make a fold along this line here. So from where this corner is down to the centre of this kind of diamond here. So we're going to fold that up over, and I hope you can see everything kind of meets in the middle here. When you've folded that up over, I want you to fold this back on itself. So I'm going to undo that so you can see it in repeat. In fact, I'll bring it a little closer. So we're going to fold this up over and then fold this back. So it's looking rather complicated right now. Then we're going to repeat the same on the other side. How did I do that again? Right, yeah. So fold that up. It kind of almost matches on one side, and then fold this tail piece back over itself. And I hope you can see that's started to form our tail. So I now want you to turn your work sideways, and it's starting to resemble very much our completed fish. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and turn it over itself like this, but we don't want it to exactly meet right in the centre. So if I bring this closer, I'll make the fold and I'll show you. We want to fold it down, but we want to leave a gap. And that gap means that we can see the difference between the tail and the fish's fins. So we're going to fold this side down as well, towards the middle, but not quite meeting in the middle. So we have a nice gap. And that should be, if we turn over our work, our completed fish. The only thing left to do is to take a googly eye, get rid of that rubbish, and make his face. And that is our completed origami fish. I will leave the visual instructions that will be included in our activity books at the end of this video. I hope you have fun making this one, and we'll see you again soon. Bye guys.